So today I'm just making some gluten sticks and I think you'll like it. So welcome, welcome, welcome. So I've already made, so I have the Vital gluten sticks, gluten, and I mix this with water, with some soy sauce, liquid aminos. I added some of this, some sesame, and then I added this garlic jalapeno, and I added some curry. I love curry, but it's finished now but it's just curry. Yeah, it's just curry. It's finished. And then I made broth. Okay, then I made broth with this. I had some of these peppers. Okay, and then I added some of this celery. And then this is my broth. I added some canned tomato soup and I just like sauteed it. And now it's boiling. And it's just like a broth. I have lots of garlic. I love garlic. And garlic is very good for you. Garlic is like anti-bacteria, anti-fungi, like it's just very healthy. So I like to use lots of garlic. And this is just the broth I'm making for my Seitan. I'll call it gluten because, yeah. Ouch. Yeah, that looks better. So it's just boiling. And this is my gluten. I've already added all this stuff to it and I needed it. Of course, I washed my hands and this is what it looks like now. Like, can you guys see it? It says my little meat. I tasted it and it tasted so good. So I feel like I'm not gonna add too much salt to that because I already needed this. And now I have to cut it. Let me taste this. Does not have taste. Oh. So I have to add some. I'm just gonna have the same thing, some of this. Oh, can you guys see it? I'm just gonna add some of this. I'm gonna add some of this. Actually, I wanna add this. This is just a new seasoning I got and I wanna try it. Can you see it? Let's see. Okay, it's salty now. And that's salty too, so I don't want it to be too salty. Well, I'm gonna make this more high and I can throw out till I still make this. Okay. Put this back. What else? Oh, you guys know this? So this is the curry I was talking about. Curry powder. It's just made by some people, but I really like it. It's very tasty. And of course, you guys know this. This is yeast flakes. And I really like yeast flakes. It's very rich in vitamin B12. Or maybe it's fortified. I'm not sure. Anyways, yep. Yeah, no, actually it has B12 in it. See? That's B12. Okay. My thing is boiling, so you can come and watch. I'm not sure if that showed what I was doing, but I actually added more seasoning to this. And you can season your broth how you want it. I just added a bunch of just seasoning, so you just season it the way you want, okay? Yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna cut my gluten. So this has to cook for like 20 minutes. But look at this, my people. It's boiling. It's boiling. I need to turn on the fan. Meat is getting ready. texture, oh, I feel like the texture can be a bit, ooh, I wish that it's more like stringent, like, you know, like that, like meat, you know, like you, but this one is more like, but it's good. Try it and let me know how it is for you, okay? Thank you for watching to the end. I really enjoyed making this. This was my first time making it. I would say with taste, I feel like it was 90% good. Like I really like love the taste. But with the texture, I feel like it could be more like stringy or stretchy or rubbery like chicken. But it was good. I mean, being my first time and being, you know, Seitan, gluten, it was very good. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to click the like button, share with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe. And please try this out. This is really good. God bless and see you in my next video. Bye.